friends, my name is Navnita. Today I'm going to teach you 10 words with meanings. Let's start. The first word is abstruse, which means difficult to understand. The sentence is, his presentation was abstruse. The next word is belligerent, which means eager to fight. The sentence is, I think she's belligerent now. The next word is callous, which means insensitive. The sentence is, that teacher is so callous. The next word is delinquent, which means tending to commit a crime. The sentence is, those children have committed delinquent acts. The next word is epiphany, which means moment of sudden realization. The sentence is, she had an epiphany about the true meaning of life. The next word is fatuous, which means silly and pointless. The sentence is, she is very chatty but often fatuous. The next word is gregarious, which means fond of company. The sentence is, I am gregarious. The next word is hegemony, which means leadership. The sentence is, she has a sense of hegemony. The next word is inexorable, which means impossible to stop. The sentence is, his death was inexorable. The next word is juxtapose, which means placing them next to each other. The sentence is, we can juxtapose our life with our parents. Thank you for watching.